What we are going to make this one. This is called Well Suited. So when you get the email, you'll know what it is. If you are not part of my email base, you can go to stampwithdeb.com, and there you can email me by just clicking in to register, and send me an email and say you're interested in this class, and I will send you the registration information. Okay, this one, made with that same gray striped. This one. So they're not all suits, but they've all used those same products. This one, which is a little bit less formal. The ties, I love this one. It just feels so fun. Then this one with the bows. A nice little thank you card. This one saying you're the best. And another one with the ties. And then this cute little box, which opens his happy birthday at the bottom, and this is one of our treat boxes. And so the box is already made, so you'll just be decorating the box. So that, like I said, is the registration is going to open today.